Hey everybody, this is Michael Parent, and this is another short Excel tip. What I have here is 500 data points, and what I'm going to try to do is I want to calculate different things about them, what I will call descriptive statistics. So if I wanted to know the average of all this data, I would calculate the average, and if I wanted to know the count, I would put an account formula. The mean is the average. I made a mistake there. If I wanted to know the median, of course, I could use the median function, and then you guessed it, if I wanted to know the mode, I would use the mode function. So what you can see here is I'm essentially calculating things into the spreadsheet, and I have to put in, several keystrokes to make this happen. But there's actually a more streamlined way to do this. I think in an earlier video, I already showed we can come here and take a look at what's in the bottom toolbar. But maybe I do want to get a printout or a readout of these, descriptive statistics. One of the things that I can do is I can go to the data analysis Toolpack, which is an add-in in Excel. So first, what I would do is I would select all of the data. I would go to the Data tab in the ribbon. So up here, Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formula, Data. And then all the way over on the right, you'll see this section called Analyze, and there's something called Data Analysis. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on data analysis. So if you don't see it on the far right side, just stick around and we'll get it there for you. So I click Data Analysis, and it pops up a little dialog box. And I'm going to select Descriptive Statistics. That's what I want to see. I'm going to select the input range that I want to, calculate the descriptive statistics for. That's the average, the median, the mean, the mode, the count, all that stuff. We're not worried about how it's grouped by, and we're going to select the output range as G5. And we'll hit Summary Statistics as well. And what we can see is when we calculate this is Excel will automatically calculate all those things that we calculated over here. We're going to pretty it up by changing the formatting. And we can see here that it actually corresponds to what we calculated manually in the worksheet. The count is 500. The count is 500. The average is 63.45. They're calling it the mean, 63.45. The median is 63.5. The median 63.5. So it's just a quick way to get all kinds of different summary statistics, descriptive statistics, without actually having to do the manual calculations. So again, we go to the Data tab, we go all the way over to the Data Analysis tool on the far right, and we select Descriptive Statistics. Now, as I said, if we don't have this turned on, and what we can do is go to File, go to Options, go to Add-ins on the left toolbar, and then go to Manage Excel Add-ins and hit Go. This pops up, and there's all kinds of different add-ins. I'm actually going to turn one of them off, and we can, essentially what we're looking for is the Analysis Toolpack here. This will get you the data analysis section in the Data tab for the ribbon. So go ahead and select that. You can see as I deselected the solver is no longer part of the analysis section over here. And that is how we get to the data analysis tool. So a pretty straightforward tool that will calculate all kinds of things for you. Many things you probably won't use. You probably don't, the range is the max minus the min, but you'll get your maximum, your minimum, your range, all kinds of statistics, things that describe what the data are doing. So I hope you found this enjoyable.